Go to the Polygon tool. Hold Shift plus Alt and make a polygon. Hold Shift and rotate. Select the pen tool. After that, click here and drag and draw a line. One more from this to this point. And one from this to this point. One from this to this point. One from this to this point. After that, select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. OK, now click and drag. Now select and go to the Object, Path, and Offset Path. Here put the offset around -10 pixel. OK. Now drag out. After that, select this and press Delete. Now, go to the Rectangular Grid tool. Click. Take the width and height of 100 pixel. And horizontal dividers 7, and vertical dividers 7 from here. Click OK. After that, select the Free Transform tool. And select Free Distort. After that, select this corner and attach it to this corner. Select this and attach it to this. And after that, select this corner and attach it to this corner. OK. Now select this, and go to the Transform, Reflect, and select Vertical 90 degrees, and copy. Now select and drag and place it here. Again, go to the Transform, Reflect, and select Vertical 120 degrees, and copy. Drag and place it. Perfect. Now select all. Zoom in. And select the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag. OK. Now select this. Right-click on the mouse and ungroup. Select this, ungroup. Select this, ungroup. After that, hold Shift and select these three shapes and drag out. Now select this all object and delete. This is our logo. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.